Hey guys, this is the 12th video of this tutorial series on structured query language and the third video on select statement. This video will be about arithmetic operations and how we can perform them using the select statement. Let's see. First of all, the addition. So we can perform the addition by just writing select and then the operands with the operator. Now let's see the subtraction operation. Select 50 minus 10, so it's 40. Now let's see the multiplication operation. 5 into 10, it's 50. Now let's see the division operation. So 50 divided by 10, it is 5. And finally the modulo operator. So we will just use 100, then modulo 3, and it is 1. So this was how we can perform arithmetic operations using the select statement. This was all for this video. See you in my next video on the logical operators. Thank you. Stay tuned to my channel, subscribe my channel, like the videos, and don't forget to share the videos. Thank you.